Getting everything organized for the upcoming semester can be daunting. A single instructor or bookstore employee is often responsible for ordering school supplies for dozens of students. That's where Darby's Student Kit program can help. Darby provides exclusive school kits with high-quality, name-brand dental products. Whether you need complex instruments or simple protective barriers, we can customize your kit to meet the exact needs of your school and curriculum. Simply let us know the supplies you need, and we will negotiate the best prices on your behalf. Darby will assemble all kits for you and have them delivered directly to your school, bookstore, or students, saving valuable time and money. Students can also easily order their kits online. By entering their school's unique code, all of the supplies they need will automatically pop up. Our process is fast, easy, and cost-effective. Let Darby help you get the supplies you need at prices your students will love. Give us a call to see just how easy ordering your school kits can be.